Actually, I have always marveled at the mysteries of life, and my poetry book is all about life, life as a whole, and all the elements involved in it. Thank you.
Wow, that's a lovely and intense thought. Can we have a big round of applause?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Now my question to you, ma'am, is we all know that it's for the first time that you've tried your hands on writing, and you've written indeed a very heartwarming forehead for this book. We would love to hear from you a few lines from the poem, if you can, please, from the forehead.
Yeah, so Bondina and I were in school together, and we were roommates as well. And I've written our little encounter and our little friendship, which went on to become very thick and intense when we were in school, and we drifted away. And I met her 2 years ago when I was promoting Tanu Wes Manu Returns in Chandigarh. We met at our school, and that's when I got to know that Bondina is pursuing arts and poetry and writing, and I got very curious about her work. She sent me we started to exchange messages and all, and then she sent me some of her work. Then I offered to write her forward, and it's been a pleasure to do that. Her work is very special, and I think in our generation, people don't really, pay a lot of attention to sensitive and fine things like poetry and shairi these days. Like I think even now, Gulzar sir is the best that we have. So I think we need to really encourage these, talents, and I hope that Bondina's work reaches far. I mean, in the age of what you call it, PlayStation and all of that, poetry is for very selective and very fine readers, but I still hope that her work reaches far, and because it's very special, it's very unusual, very fine. So I will read. So there are how many poems there are, Rondina? 69 poems, and each one of them is very special. So many of them are my favorites, but I will start with See It Through My Eyes. This is a poem where she is talking about how things can change, how ordinary can be transformed into extraordinary with a mere shift of perspective. Soft breeze touches my skin. By I opened my eyes, I inhaled clear senses. Looking outside my cab window, slowly, could perceive those known picture, unknown ambience, the whole thing all alike. But I'm longing for something anew. Someone see this loveliness through my eyes. Hey, catch the stillness, feel the delicate scent. Close your lids and you will transcend to the unexplained land. How I wish you get a glimpse of this place. This is the place I so many times spoke about. See it through my eyes. Oh, how I wish you get a glimpse of this place.
Wow. I'm sure everyone is excited to grab a copy of this book soon. Congratulations, Bondina.
There is another one which is actually it's a really short one, but very intense. Measure depth. It twinges too deep. You, loving eye, is not real. I wish that it's all a lie, that it's just a horrific trance, that you still hold me close to your bosom. I wish that you haven't buried me. Yes, what I am going through is fatality. It's a measured depth. This is my favorite.
Thank you very much. Now we keep it open to the media for Q&A. Can we have the questions, please? Before that, we have a very good painting which Bondina wants to gift Ms. Renaud. Can we have it on stage?
Can you unwrap it? Unwrap it. So Bonina is a painter as well. This painting is on the cover of this book. Ponti, can you describe what painting is this?
This is actually a semi-abstract art, and it describes our tradition.